Hi everyone, welcome to this week's weekly market report by J2 Wealth. This week the market ended with Nifty 50 at 24,304 points, up by 0.51%, whereas Sensex ended at 79,724 points, up by 0.41%. Moving into world market news. The US economy grew at a healthy 2.8% annual rate from July through September, with consumers helping drive growth despite the weight of high interest rates. Oil prices rebounded on Wednesday, rising more than 2% after data showed US crude and gasoline inventories fell unexpectedly last week. After falling more than 6% earlier in the week on the reduced risk of wider Middle East war, Brent crude futures gained $1.81 or 2.5% to $72.93 a barrel. Elon Musk made a surprise virtual appearance at Saudi Arabia's Future Investment Initiative in a move that indicated the billionaire has mended relations with the kingdom after the two sides fell out during his short-lived effort to take Tesla private. Moving into Indian market news. Vedanta Group firm Hindustan Zinc plans to invest up to $2 billion, around 17,000 crores, to double its production capacity to 2 million tons in the next few years. Domestic institutional investors, DIIs, have infused a record 4.6 trillion rupees into Indian equities over the course of Samvat 2018, marking the highest net annual investment in any Samvat to date. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries posted a 28% year-on-year growth in its consolidated profit after tax at Rs 3,040.3 crores for Q2 FY25, while revenue from operations during the period grew by 10.5% to Rs 13,264 crores. Adani Power on Monday reported a 50% decline in its consolidated net profit to Rs 3,297.5 crores in the September quarter Q2 FY25 compared to a year ago. The Reserve Bank of India announced on Monday that any entity seeking authorization or recognition as a central counterparty must have a minimum net worth of 300 crores at the time of submitting its application. The Financial Services Institutions Bureau (FSIB) on Monday recommended Ashok Chandra for the position of Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Punjab National Bank. Indian Oil Corporation's net profit dropped 99% to 180 crore rupees in the July to September quarter from rupees 12,967 crores a year earlier on inventory losses and weak refining margins. The Indian IT services market grew 6.1% year-on-year to reach $14.5 billion in 2023, despite slowing IT investment recovery. India's gold demand witnessed an 18% year-on-year growth during Q3 of this year to 248.3 tons as the reduction in gold import duty resulted in a revival in demand. Engineering conglomerate Larsen & Toubro posted on Wednesday a 5.4% rise in its year-on-year net profit to Rs 3,395 crore for the second quarter of the current financial year, Q2 FY25. Aditya Birla Capital's consolidated net profit grew 42% year-on-year to Rs 1,001 crore in the September quarter from 705 crore rupees a year ago. Moving into stocks in news, BMW Group's consolidated net profit in India surged by 52.02% year-on-year to 311.74 crore rupees in the last financial year. Swiggy's IPO will open on November 6th and close on November 8th. The price band for the IPO is between Rs 371 and 390. The IPO comprises a fresh issue of Rs 4,499 crores and an offer for sale of 17.5 crore shares. The total issue size is Rs 11,327.42 crores at the upper price band. Bharati Telecom is planning to raise about 8,500 crore rupees in the rupee bond market. SEBI on Wednesday sent demand notices to 6 entities including Reliance Home Finance's promoter entity asking them to pay Rs 154.5 crores for diversion of funds from the firm. The National Stock Exchange on Wednesday said the total number of client accounts registered with the BOSE surpassed the 200 million mark primarily due to digital transformation and technological innovation. Promoter Torrent Investments sold shares of Torrent Pharmaceuticals worth Rs 3,086.3 crores in a bulk deal. Zydus Wellness said it will sign a definitive agreement to acquire Natural, the maker of Right Bite Max protein bars and snacks, for Rs 390 crore in cash. Dabur is set to acquire 51% in Rajkot-based Ayurvedic hair care maker Sisa Care. at an enterprise value estimated at rupees 315 to 325 crores, including a debt of rupees 289 crores. Dabur also reported a 17.5% year-on-year decline in consolidated net profit at rupees 425 crores for the quarter ended September. Thanks for tuning into this week's weekly market report. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.